I'm gonna read you a book in case you need it. I love you. Okay? So, hope you like the book. The book is Lizard in a Blizzard by Leslie Sims and David Semple. Okay. Lizard is reading his book in the sun. He looks up and grins at his friends. This book's fun. It's all about snow, but what's snow? Do you know? Snow makes us slow. In snow, we don't go. I want to see the snow, Lizard says, with a sigh. I want to make snowflakes float down from the sky. But lizards aren't wizards. Well, I'm going to try. He isn't a wizard, but Lizard is clever. He loves to put all sorts of odd stuff together. The next day, he shows them his make snow invention. He flicks up a switch, and his friends pay attention. Softly at first, fat white flakes flutter down. How pretty, says Gecko. But she soon starts to frown. It's too cold. It's freezing. Please make it stop now. Lizard is shivering. I don't know how. The flakes whirl down faster. The world is a blur. Reach out for each other. I wish I had fur. The machine freezes up. All at once, the storm ends. Hot sun warms them all, melting snow from the friends. Sorry if the lighting is bad. It's okay. For 6 sunny days, Lizard mends his machine. I've made a few changes. It now makes ice cream. What a dream. Fresh ice cream. Yum, yum, cries Iguana. Your ice cream is scrumptious. Chocolate chip and banana. We found this for you. Thank you. Thank you, Gecko, says Lizard. He takes it and shakes it. Hooray, a warm blizzard. Okay, the end. Bye-bye.